Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to find watch later playlists on YouTube. So first you just have to go to your Google Play Store and then type YouTube. And in case you haven't updated your YouTube application, so you have to click update. Now once you have updated your YouTube application, you can now launch YouTube application. And if you want to watch your playlist on YouTube, then most of you maybe go to your profile and then go to your channel and look for that option that says watch later playlist. But that option, you cannot see that on your channel. What you want to do is to just simply tap your profile and below here, below this history, you will see here playlists. And all you have to do is to tap that one, specifically this view all. And here it is. Under playlist, you will see here watch later and private video. So these are your watch later videos, and actually you can create new playlists if you want to. And once you tap this watch later playlist, you can see there that you can add more videos or playlist or videos that you can watch later. You can play all or you can shuffle. So that's it. That's how easy it is to find this watch later playlist on YouTube. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.